How to become a Lyft driver or how to sign up for a Lyft driver. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can become a Lyft driver or sign up for a Lyft driver. Now I'll just be guiding you through, since this is a short video. If you want a detailed one, you can simply leave a comment down below and I'll make a video on it later. But here, to keep things straight and short, you can simply go ahead into your browser and search it for Lyft driver application. So you can head over to your browser and you can search in for Lyft driver application, where you'll be able to find the links. So Lyft driver, you can search in for Lyft driver application and you can see the very first link that says drive with Lyft, become a driver, and you can see second as well. So you can simply tap on it, go ahead through the prompts, enter in all the necessary details, and you can sign up for it. The other way where you can sign up is you can simply head into your Play Store and you can search in for Lyft driver. So you can search in Lyft driver's app and you'll be able to get it if it is available in your region. You can see it's not available in my region. Lyft itself is not available in my region, so you can do it on the browser as well, or the application if it is available. So this way you can become a Lyft driver. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.